Hi everyone. Hi guys. Welcome to another episode of Stuff, and today I will be featuring a new item that I bought. Actually, I received the order just yesterday, and it is a first time for me to own a DJI Mini 2 drone. So let's check the package that I got from Altitude Digital. So what I ordered is a DJI Mini 2 fly combo. So since it is a combo, it Altitude Digital gave me some freebies as well. So they gave me a scan disk. This one is a 64 GB 3 A2, which is kind of super fast and good for filming and for capturing videos. And then they also gave me a free shirt. I hope this one is size S. Yeah, it is size S. Great. So yeah. So this one's the DJI shirt. Okay, put it here and then push my laptop there. And now for the main tray. Ta-da! My own DJI Mini 2 fly more combo. So let's unbox it. Now let's open the box. Ding! Wow! So it comes in a bag. Nice. This is nice. So you don't have to buy a bag anymore because it comes with a travel bag. And I'm sure it is a strap. There's a strap that you can adjust so you can make it like a shoulder bag. So very convenient and very useful when you travel. Then let's open the bag. Okay, wow. What's this? It's full packed. So let's try unzipping this part first. Okay. So I guess these, okay, we have a screwdriver over here. I think this is a screwdriver, a mini screwdriver. And then we also have, what are these? Because these are also screws, and I think these are propellers, part of the propellers. Yeah, propellers for the drone. Then we have the drone itself. So the drone comes in a strap, kind of nifty, and I like it. So you have a protective strap for the drone. Cool, no? Neat. It looks like a spaceship talaga. And there's a cover for the gimbal. I place it here. And what else do we have here? I guess this one is for the... Oh, this is the remote control. Nice. I'm really careful because this is new, and this doesn't come cheap, huh? Although this is like one of the most affordable drones in the market, but still, for me, this is not cheap. I bought this for about 29,000 something, close to 30,000. But since I paid it in cash, they gave me, I mean, Altitude Digital gave me a 1,000 pesos discount. So this is the remote control. Wow. So remember this thing, I think this one, these are the joysticks. I think you have to place one of these in each slot of the joysticks. Yeah, cool. Then I also have the accessories box. Okay, so let's open the accessories box. So I think this is what makes the combo fly, or the fly combo rather. Because if you buy just the standard unit, I don't think you'll be getting this, because this one is the battery charger. Oh, there's a sticker. I have to be careful in opening this because I don't want to damage the plastic. There's a QR code. That's the reason why I don't want to damage it. So here's the battery, and I can see here 2 batteries. I think the battery here is already inside this drone. I think. You know what? This is my first time to own a drone, and so I really have no idea. I mean, I have ideas, but I'm not sure if some of those ideas are accurate, or, you know, I should have another video after owning this for a month, or using this after a month. Then what else? This one. Oh, I think this is the one that you connect to the unit, and then the other end of it should be connected to your cell phone. I guess this one is just for charging the batteries. Yeah, most probably is, because you have an adapter. That's it. What else? What else do I have here? And of course, you have your manual. I believe this is the manual. Yeah. So there you have it. So as a summary, you have this pretty nice bag for the drone. You have the drone unit. You have the remote control. Your 2 batteries, I mean 3 batteries, because the 3rd battery is already here inside the drone unit. Then the battery charger. You have your connectors from your drone to your cell phone. You have your battery charger. You have your propellers. You have your joysticks for the remote control. And you have your screwdriver. And that's what comprise the DJI Mini 2 Fly Combo. Operating your DJI Mini 2 drone is rather easy. All you need to do is to click on the power button shortly for the first press, and then once you see the lights, it says here the battery is half full because it's 2 lights out of 4, and then you have to click again, hold the power button for 4 seconds, and then that's it. I think, yeah, your remote control is on and ready to go. Next, we want to attach your mobile phone on top of the remote control. It's kind of hard actually to do it. Then you have to connect your DJI remote control to your mobile phone. Then it will automatically sync up. You have to click on connection guide and select your aircraft model. In this case, we want to select DJI Mini 2, and it will give you instructions on how to set up and power on your aircraft. Now on your aircraft, we need to, of course, to unstrap it and also remove the cover of the gimbal. Okay. Then next, you have to spread the wings. So the forearms, you have to move it upwards or sideways, and then for the lower legs or the lower wings, you need to pull it down. Now the battery is already inside the unit, so all we need to do now is to click on the power button. If you press it once, you'll notice that it is showing you 3 lights out of 4. So this is the battery life of your drone. Then if you press and hold it for 4 seconds, the drone should power up. Hi guys, so it's a very nice day today. The rain has stopped, and earlier it was sunny, but now it's a bit windy. But anyway, as you can see, I'm wearing my DJI Mini 2 drone shirt, and I come prepared with my sun protector gears. Okay, so without further ado, let's fly this thing. Drone, you have your left and right joysticks. On the left joysticks, here, if you push the lever up, the drone will go up, and then if you pull the stick down, your drone will go down. But if you move it sideways, like if, for example, if you push it to the left, the drone will not go to the left, but rather it will rotate clockwise. And then if you turn, or if you push the joystick to the right, the drone will rotate counterclockwise. Now for the right joystick, here if you push the lever up, the drone will move forward, and if you pull the lever down, the drone will move backwards. Same thing, if you push the left of the lever, the drone will move sideways, either left or right, depending on where you push your joysticks. So let me show you some of the buttons here on your remote control. So these are just the basic buttons. Like for this one is return to home button. So you click on this button if you want your drone to return to base, hence return to home. Then we have here 3 menus: Scene, Normal, and Sport. Of course, we have the power button, and here this button will toggle you between camera and video camera if you would like to take still pictures or if you would like to record a video. So you do it by pressing on this button at the back. So either you click on either you start recording, or if you want to take a photo, still photo that is. Okay, and then here back, this is the toggle button. So this controls actually the gimbal of your camera. So it kind of move your cameras upwards and downwards. So we're now back in the car. We wanted to practice a little bit longer, but the security guard of the field approached us and told us that we had to ask permission first because, you know, the area is a private property. So I guess not bad for a start, but I believe there's a lot more that I need to learn. It's a skill. Actually, flying a drone is a skill. Like, you know, driving this car or riding a motorcycle, it takes some skills. So I bet to, you know, spend more time in practicing and flying a drone. And I believe I have to, you know, make a second vlog about this after a month, just to document my progress.
Oh, hindi ko pa pwede masasalo yan. Ayun o, yung LAN.
Kaya naganda ako dito.
Ito o. Ayun, nagbalalanda na siya. Smile.
So that's for our first session. Okay. Nakabahan ako. I'm nervous. So this ends our video. But I know this was just the start of our adventures with my DJI Mini 2, which I just named mine. So until then, next vlogs will, I guess, be more on traveling, as traveling is one of my passions, and thus should be included in Seth stuff. So bye for now, and thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. Ciao! Does it really have to be in English all throughout? Oh, para maraming viewers! My English has an expiration for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm grappling for words. Kasi talagang, hirap pa! Tagalog na lang.